Frustrated that your Calendly appointments aren't triggering workflows in Zapier when they originate from Redtail? Well, you're not alone, and I'm going to show you the exact workaround to get these apps playing nice in just a few simple steps. First, understand the core of the issue. Calendly often doesn't directly flag appointments originating from Redtail as distinctly different events within its system that Zapier can latch onto. Our workaround involves leveraging Calendly's native integrations. Go to your Calendly settings and find the Integrations tab. Make sure your Calendly is properly connected to Redtail. Now, head over to Zapier and examine your Calendly trigger. The trick is to specify a very particular event type within Calendly, like a one-on-one. If you haven't been doing that, then Zapier doesn't know what to look for. Another workaround is creating a custom question within your Calendly booking form. Add a simple yes or no question that is filled out, which can then be recognized by Zapier to trigger an action. Then, within Zapier, you can use a filter to only continue if that custom question has the answer that indicates it came from Redtail, effectively creating a conditional trigger based on your booking form question. And there you have it. By specifying event types or implementing custom question filters, you can bridge the gap between Redtail, Calendly, and Zapier, ensuring your automation flows smoothly. Now test it to make sure that the Zaps work properly.